Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. Today's video is a colored contact lens haul, and I am so excited about it because I love trying different colored contacts. It's just a fun, temporary way to change it up. The contact lenses I will be trying are by a company called Just4Kira, which is this company right here, which if you watch anime or are a fan of anime, it kind of reminds me of Kira from the anime Death Note, which I wonder if this company got their name inspiration from that. Who knows? But anyway, Just4Kira let me choose 4 different pairs of contact lenses and sent them to me for free so I could do a review on them. My review is still going to be 100% my honest opinion. And with that being said, I do want to mention that I did open one of the pairs of contacts because I wanted to try them on and test out not only the color, but the wearability and the comfort, because what's the point if they're going to be uncomfortable all day? So I wanted to be able to let you guys know how it felt in my eye throughout the day wearing them and whatnot. I do have a discount code for 20% off your order by using code SADE, that's S-A-D-E, 20% off using code SADE, S-A-D-E. I'll have that code right here on the screen for you, as well as in the description box below. So be sure to check that out, and just know that I do not get any kind of commission or make any kind of money off of that code. That code is strictly just for you guys. And on that note, I've been to their site a couple of times and they always seem to have some kind of sale going on. So check out the site anyway. They might have a better sale. You might get a better deal than the 20% off. Enough of all that. Let's go ahead and get into these contact lenses. So first off, I just want to show you opening this box up, how it comes. So it comes with this little, thank you note, and most importantly, these instructions on how to put the contact lenses in your eye. I love that. I already know how to put contact lenses in because I wear prescription contact lenses. I'm already a pro at this. But if you're a first timer, I love that it has the instructions. It shows you what to look for in regards to how the contact lens should look. It should look like this and not like a martini glass, but more like a wine glass. You feel me? So, of course, you want to wash your hands and all that stuff before you're putting anything in your eye in general. But yeah, I mean, it gives you a pretty good basic description or instructions on how to do that. So that's great. Then you get your contact lens cases as well as the contacts. And I feel like they look really cute just off the bat. It's like a pinkish holographic type of metallic color. And I think it's super cute. So as I mentioned, there's only 3 cases in here because I opened one. Have the contacts that I wore already stored. I love that it's a clear case because, as you can see, I mean, the contacts are floating, but you'll be able to tell the color of whatever contacts you're looking for as opposed to having to open up your contact case and find them that way. The thing about this case is that it comes with a pair of tweezers that you can use to, grasp your contact lenses, as well as this little, you put the contact lens on this and then pop it in your eye using this instead of using your fingers. So for example, if you're a contact lens wearer, you're probably familiar with maybe touching spicy food and then, putting a contact lens in your eye, or removing contact lens from your eye, you know, later in the day, and there's still, it doesn't matter how many times you've washed your hands, like that spice is left over on your fingers sometimes. That's happened to me before. I don't know if it's happened to you, but I feel like it's common for contact lens wear. So that's great to be able to just pop it in with this instead of having to use your finger and like slightly burn your eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop in the contacts that I already tried on and did the all day test wear, and be back and show you what they're looking like. Okay, so I have one of them on because I want you to be able to see the difference. This color is called Neila Brown, and all the colors I'll have on the screen as well as in the description, but I want you to be able to see the difference in my natural color versus the contact color. The reason I chose this color was because I feel like it's a little bit more natural, like it definitely makes a difference to how my face looks, my eyes, but it's not super drastic, and it's more of like a everyday, you know, contact color in my opinion. And I want to show you real quick how I was mentioning this little tool that holds the contact. I'm gonna go ahead and just use it just so you can see. And it's that easy. You don't have to stick your finger in your eye. And of course there's like contact lens solution, so it's like makes your eye a little bit watery, but just so you can get the full look of these contact lenses in Neila Brown. I really like these. I love the natural looking vibe when it's just like I want to change it up but like low key. So I feel like they fit really well. They don't make it look so drastic where somebody's going to be like, you have contacts in, unless they know you. But it's super natural looking and very, very comfortable. I was able to wear these all day. I didn't have any kind of irritation. I didn't feel any kind of dryness. I didn't even feel them in my eye, which is what I look for when wearing contact lenses, period, because I've worn some colored ones that you can just feel them, like they're not uncomfortable, but you can just feel them all day long sitting on your eye. So I love that these were super comfortable. It's like set it and forget it in a sense, but for eyes. So this is Neila Brown. This next color is called Aurora Blue. And I just want you to be able to see the comparison of colored contact and natural. So I'll be putting one on at a time at first, just so you can see the difference and the blend and how well the color blends with your own natural color. Okay, so I have both of them in, and I feel like this color is much more drastic than the Neila Brown. This is Aurora Blue once again, and I actually really, really like it. I surprisingly have never tried blue colored contacts. I usually go for like honey colors or hazel or green because I want more of like a natural vibe. But this time I was like, you know what? Let's just go for it. And I'm really glad I did because I really like this color. This is a very interesting to see myself with this, with these colored eyes. I don't know, what do you guys think about them? I feel like they look fairly natural. Obviously, if you know me, you know that my eye color is not blue, but they're definitely out there for me and definitely different, but I feel like it blends pretty well with the brown. And I will be close up just so you can kind of get a better view of how it's blending in with that brown. I feel like it's actually doing a pretty good job, and I feel like it looks pretty good. I like it. Okay, this next color is called Crystal Gray, and here it is. So I just want you to be able to see the difference. And I feel like even though these are gray, they don't seem to be as out there as the blue ones. Were a little bit brighter, but you can definitely see the difference. Okay, so now I have both colored contacts in, and I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like I really, really like this color. I don't know if I like the blue ones more than the gray ones. I'm kind of feeling the gray, even though how often do you see somebody with gray colored eyes? But it seems like it would be like somewhat of a normal eye color. I feel like these definitely stand out. They're not, like I said, as bright as the blue ones stand out, but they stand out more than the Neila Brown, that's for sure, and more than my brown eyes normally do. But I'm really liking these. I feel like, I don't know, what do you guys think? I can't decide if I like these more or the blue ones so far. So the final color is called Alpha Green. Of course, I had to get a green, and here it is. This color here is the most drastic of them all, I feel like. And just so you can get the close-up of the colored contact versus my brown eyes, I feel like it is much more noticeable. They're all noticeable, let's be real. But these definitely stand out more in a good way. I think this is the most favorite green colored contact I've ever owned. And I'm really liking the color. It kind of reminds me of like a mint green a little bit, but like a natural mint green. I don't know. I'm really liking this color. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other one in so we can get the full effect. Okay, so now I have both colored contacts in, and I feel like the effect is definitely there. It's definitely obvious. There is no question. But I love the way that they look. So there is one thing that I am noticing with this pair and this pair only. The pupil hole, like the black pupil hole in the middle, it appears to be a little bit smaller, like slightly smaller than the rest. Also, like with this color, it looks like it's more of a solid color, like the colored part of it, versus the other ones are kind of like speckled. So it mixes better, it blends better with your own color. But I feel like these actually, it doesn't look so crazy, like it's not blending, but the way that they're made, just like the pupil hole is a little bit smaller, and I can see perfectly fine, but I can tell just from seeing that it is slightly smaller than the other ones. It doesn't bother me, I would still wear them, but something to know in case you're interested in this color. But I don't know if this is my favorite color or the gray or the blue or the Neila Brown. Like, I don't know. I think Alpha Green kind of has my heart. If I'm really going for like a change in the day, this would be my first choice more than likely. So overall, I would have to say that my opinion on these colored contacts and my review, my first impression is a good one. I feel like these actually blend better than any colored contacts I've ever worn. These by far are my favorite in regards to blending in with my own eye, and then just like the color and how it looks. I'm really, like I said, this is my favorite. You know, if you're gonna go with contacts, colored contacts, typically you're going to change it up, do something drastic, maybe Halloween, whatever. They have all those kinds of contacts. Any color you want, they have. So I love that. I love these. I would totally recommend if you are into colored contacts. This concludes my review and first impressions on the Just4Kira colored contact lenses. I love them. Let me know what you guys thought about these colored contacts. Which ones were your favorite? Comment down below which ones you like the best and which ones you like the least if you didn't like any. If you enjoyed watching this colored contact lens try-on haul, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.